Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Just a quick one. Mana has done something very interesting. Obviously did give you here this target area before, and while we haven't done the longer wave B, this was certainly one scenario to get first up here and then down. Mana did go into that target area first and straight away, which could theoretically now complete that wave C correction. So you had your wave A, B and your wave C. Here to the downside, the wave did even come below that previous low, and that was here at 284. So if I make that a little bit larger, we can see that the low here, as we moved into the target area, that low on the 5th of January was even lower. So we did come into the target area. We've seen some reaction to it. We are now currently moving up. We have broken the downtrend here. You can see that downtrending line where we had 3 touch points. We did break that here now to the upside. And even though we don't see a massive impulse yet to the upside, that is certainly not a bad sign. And we should definitely keep an eye on Mana. I think it is one of the more solid metaverse cryptos anyway. Good sign is it has broken the downtrend now. It might just be accumulating now for a move up here. There was an attempt to break above the $3 level. That's obviously a key area. I think a break above $3 could push the price quite a bit higher. And I think we could then see levels here with the next resistance here probably being at 340, where we would also find the 50-day moving average and here those previous highs 1, 2. We are now currently at this $3 level resistance, which obviously is quite difficult to get through. Yesterday there was an attempt to move through here. It did fail. It's now just slightly below that 0.786 fib level, which is, as it happens, just at $3 level. Now, should Bitcoin drop once more, I mean, there is a chance we go obviously to the low of that target area here at 220, which is where I started to draw the fibs in that wave. Now the thing is, if you lose that, then we're talking about much lower prices. Then we're talking about much lower prices. That's a scenario which is of course possible, but looking at the chart here, I think there is significant support here at the 220 level. I think there is. And you can just see that by looking at the chart. This is where it's bottomed out since November, and this is where the correction started. So I would hope, and that is my view, that 220 level should hold, but of course we'll see in the end what's going to work out. Overall, in the long run, I do expect much higher prices for Mana anyway. I would expect here in the next move up, as soon as Mana has finished the correction. Theoretically it could have finished the correction yet, but as I expect Bitcoin to drop once more, it could even come down lower again. But again, you never know. You never know if that is really going to happen. We need to be very honest about that. And Mana is at generally attractive prices at the moment. I mean, we've talked about here a nearly $4 Mana just a few weeks ago, Always keep that in mind. And it is a growing ecosystem, even though I think personally, if I had to choose between Mana and Sand, I personally would pick Sand. That's my view, but I own some Mana as well. That's pretty much the update. It was a good sign. Certainly we've come into the target area, seen a reaction coming out of it, attempt to break the $3 level. I think that could be successful, and then here broken that descending trend line, which I think is quite important actually, to break that immediate downtrend here. That's just a quick update about Mana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.